Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Misty from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw cute Misty, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. So come with a curve, go across about right here, and connect at the bottom. And I'll try to make it a little bit sharper towards the center. So it's about right there, and go up. There. The basic bottom of a U. Then from there, let's come back to the edge right here and draw a circle for her eye. And same thing on the other side, about right here. Now that we have the circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Now that we have the eyes in, let's come to the side. I'm just going to add 2 simple lashes, those 2 little curves right on the side. And then let's see here, let's give her a sweet smile. So I'm going to come to the center about right here and just draw a soft curve. And I'm going to give her open smile, so connect it at the bottom with a narrower U. There. Okay, so then now we can come back over here and draw her ears. So come back to where her eyes are, about in this area. Just gonna draw a big curve, add some details in here. So a curve and a curve for her ear, and same thing over here. Now let's frame her face with her hair. So I'm going to start right here on this edge. I'm going to go up and we're going to just basically draw some zigzags. So we're going to up, we're going to come close to her eye, so down, and towards the center it's going to be a little bit lower. And let's see here, one more coming towards the center, and we're going to go right back up to the same level as that. So say about right here. Then let's come right back down to frame her face. Then let's draw her brow, so right over her eye. We're just going to go over her hair if we need to, and draw a soft curve. There. Now let's draw the rest of her hair. So let's come back right here, her ear. I'm just going to draw one zigzag, and then, you know what, let's start at the top here, sorry. So let's come about right here. We're going to draw 3 little zigzags. And go up, and then this side as well, same thing. And go up, and then in the space right here, we're going to start right here and go around. So we're basically just want to draw this curve all for top of her head. So let's see here. I'm just going to kind of imagine my hand just coming about right here. So I'll say this is my top, my center. I'll give myself a point, because it's just easier for my hand to come and draw downwards. So bring that curve to connect, but whatever is easiest for you. So now that we have this top part, now we can work on all the details on this side. So let's bring this out, and about right here, we're going to start to curve out for a strand. And we're just going to build these strands to come out all the way over here. And one big one, and then connect it back. So it's just this kind of sharp shape, kind of like a beak almost, right? Then from there, let's add her little side ponytail. So let's say about right here. I'm going to draw a little band, and then let's pop out her side ponytail. So big curve, bring it in, another zigzag, We're going to draw 4 of them and then bring it right back in and add some details right there. Now that we're done with her head, let's draw her body. So I'm going to come right here and give her a little neck right in the center, and we're going to bring down her shoulders about right here and down. Oops. And down and down. So then let's find her armpit. So I'd say about right here. I'll just give myself a point right there, and I'm going to draw a slight angle line coming outwards, just slightly. From there, let's come back about right here, give her a neckline curve, and let's see here, I'll bring this down a little bit more, and I'll connect it for her tank top. And let's see, so she has these suspenders, so let's come about right here. I'm going to draw a curve that comes down on both sides. And bring it down a little bit more. So I'll come about right here for the tank top. And let's thicken these suspenders. So bring it down on both sides. And bring it down a little bit more. So I have to pass the tank top. And so about right there, I'll go ahead and connect it. And then let's bring in the tank top and connect. And then for the suspenders, let's give her a little waist. So come right here, come out, and connect. Right under the suspenders. And then let's connect the suspenders right here to her shorts. Then let's see here, let's come straight down once again and about right here. I'm just going to give myself a slight curve right in the center. From there, let's go ahead and build her shorts. Let's come out, an angle, pop it out a little bit. And let's see here, let's come down close to this, to the same, almost the same level. And then we're just going to go ahead and add a curve to it right there. Same thing over here, and add a curve. So because it's really short and she has this part that's rolled up, so I'm going to pop this part out and add another layer. So same thing here, just pop it out a little bit and add another layer. From there, let's draw her legs. So I'm going to come right here, here, and matching her hip, bring this down. So let's bring this all the way down. We're just going to slightly wide stance. So bring it down. We're getting thinner as we come down. And about right there, I'll stop. About right there. And I'm going to cut it off with a curve. And then we're going to draw her shoes. So give a little curve inwards and then out. And connect at the bottom. For some details, draw a curve right here and a curve on top and 2 curves on the side, just to simplify it. So same thing on the other side. All the way down. And about right there, once again, draw the same thing. There. Okay, so then now we can finally work on her arms. So this arm is going to be bent and on her hips, her hands. So I want her hands to be right here. So let's come back to where the armpit area is. Come out. And I'm going to bend her hand right there. Give it a little angle for her hand. And let's follow our curve. So about right here, elbow, come in. And then for the hand, angle it, and then add a little curve right there at the back. On this hand, it's just going to be coming straight out, so nice and simple. Just bring this down And let's see here, say about right here, I'll stop. So let's come about right here, give it a little thumb and fingers. You can even add a little one in the back if you want. There. And now for all the little details, so we can pop this part out if you like, the suspenders. And for the shorts, let's add a little band right here. Coming across, a little circle in the center. And let's see, center right here. No detail in the pockets. And of course, last but not least, let's add a heart right here in the center to make her my Draw So Cute Misty from Pokemon. There. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me to draw this cute little girl here from Pokemon. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.